Alright, so we ran into a little bit of a problem. I thought I was home free, but it turns out I'm not. So the case on the right here, this is the new case. It turns out it's from a older bike from about 1972, and I've been looking all over the internet and I cannot find a 74 case, which is what my original is. Now the reason this is important is because in 72 the main bearing was a little bit smaller. You can see the diameter of this hole is smaller than that of this hole right here. This hole is much wider and the main bearing is already in it. It's still slightly wider. So what I have to do is I'm going to have this sent off to our local machine shop and have him cut this out. Also, these fins need to be cut down because they're too tall. So this is kind of a blank case. Anyway, what we have to do today is we have to figure out a way to get this main bearing out, because I'm going to have to reuse it. Can't find them on the internet, so is it moving at all?
I'm trying to look at, yeah.
Cool.
I'm not hitting it very hard, so I don't think I'm doing any harm to it.
Without the rack. Today on Cooking with Maurice, we're showing you how to make the perfect roast. This is our first attempt at heating the case up. I'm going to try it with the oven. Good thing it's aluminum and not steel. And we didn't really have a choice. We need to get on the back side of that bearing and can't hook anything, so
There it goes.
wow.
Okay, so that's the little ring.
I don't know how the hell they expected you to get that out without destroying the engine.
There you go. You're welcome.
Thank you. Now we can get this to the machine shop, get the measurements we need, or he'll do all that.
Take both parts.
And he'll start cutting away at this new part, and we'll start turning this into that. So, cool.